Hi, I'm Tracy Rollins, and in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can get your free ticket to the Be the Light Bible Journaling Conference. The Be the Light Bible Journaling Conference has free classes, free printables, and amazing speakers. It would normally cost hundreds of dollars if you were to attend one of these conferences in person. Believe me, I have attended them. They're wonderful, but sometimes can be a little bit expensive. So you definitely want to get in on this one and stay to the end of this video because I'm going to share with you how you can win your share of over $1,000 worth of prizes and giveaways from our sponsors. These are brands you know, like, and trust. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. Number one, the Be the Light Bible Journaling Conference is all online. So there's no travel expenses, there's no car rental payments, there's no babysitter to get. You don't need a dog sitter, you don't need a cat sitter. Nothing is required. You get to watch this from the comfort of your own home. It's absolutely free to attend. Your ticket has been paid for by Bible Journaling Ministries. That's us. And we literally have purchased the top of the line package from our host to receive thousands of seats for this conference. So they're there and they're ready, but once they're gone, they're gone. And I expect this conference to sell out fast. Now, if you go to register and for some reason the tickets are all sold out, which I know it's gonna happen, go ahead and put it in the comments so that I can go talk to my host and see if I can't pay more money to get more seats. I will do the best I can, but I just don't know if they can actually give me more seats and if they can actually support that. So that's something I'd have to work out. But right now the seats are there, so go ahead and register now. It shouldn't be a problem. And also let me know in the comments if you're coming because I want to say hi. I want to see who's coming. I want to be super excited with you about this conference. So put your name in the comments if you've already registered and you are coming. Number two, why should you join us? Well, if you want to learn more about Bible journaling, get your creativity on, build a community, make some new friends, grow into your relationship with the Lord, and grow in the Word creatively, you do not want to miss out on this conference. This is the place to be. Number three, some of you guys know that I have a lifelong goal of donating 1 million Bibles to unreached people. Did you know that there are over 2 billion people that still do not have access to the Word? It is just so heartbreaking. And so it is my life's goal to donate 1 million Bibles. And so to do that, as part of that goal, we have partnered with Bibles for the World. And if you purchase an all access pass, you will receive, not only will you receive lifetime access to all of the videos and conference sessions and the printables that are also included, you will also receive 6 months of my newest program that's going to be released in January called Faith Inspirations, and that's a $60 value. But what's better than that? For every one access pass purchased, one Bible will be provided to an unreached person. That's one pass, one person. It's better than a win-win, I think. Number four, you might be asking, so how do I enter to win those amazing prizes? Well, when you register, there are 2 options to enter the drawing. You can do 1 and get 1 entry or 2 and get 2 entries. Simply register, click the button to share, that's 1 entry. And then click the button to join the Facebook group, that's the 2nd entry. It is that easy. You might be saying, hey, I don't have Facebook and I don't want to participate in the Facebook group. That's okay. Just go ahead and click the button and you will still get that entry. I want to give a huge thanks to Dayspring, Illustrated Faith, Bible Journaling Ministries, and the Bright Bible, as well as all of our speakers who have donated their resources for this fun and exciting event. The only way that you're going to be disappointed is if you don't show up to this event. So go ahead and click the button to register today.